Welcome, this is Oberate Cleaning Services. Today we'd like to take you through what we've been doing since morning to this moment. On our page, Car Detailing Services, you'll get quite a number of services that we do provide in the car interior cleaning industry. As you can see, here is the number of cars that we've done. This is the first car, second, third, and fourth car, the far end, if you can be able to see them. I think you can see them. So these are bits. We've already done the interior cleaning of this particular car, and we are waiting for it to dry so that we can call it a day. Come along with me as Oberate Cleaning Services. We do offer the best matters cleaning in the cleaning industry. So this is one of our areas of specialization where we offer interiors car cleaning services as part of our service. This is the first car, it's already done, and you can see the brand that has contracted us to do. This is Delight Cabs. For your information, these are cabs, and if you have something to go, like, you can use them. Very clean interiors. We do maintain them on Matters Cleaning Services. So these cars are very clean inside, and as a customer, if you get on board on these cars, you will experience the difference from other service providers of the same category. So we do come this second car. This is the second car that we've done. I with my team, Oberate Cleaning Services, car detailing section. This is another car of the same company. If you can see it, let me show you. The same company. This is Delight Cabs. So, as professionals in the cleaning industry, we always strive to give the best matters car interiors cleaning services. And as you can see, this, my cameraman can show you how sparkling these interiors are. Spotless, no trace of any dirt that can be seen in this particular car. This is the second car that we've done. Delight Cabs are the best experience on matters transportation in terms of corporate staffs. You need your corporate staffs to be transported to any other place. Contact Delight Cabs because they are the best matters cleaners. Very clean, very new, very brand. They do cater for their customers. That's the second car. You can see the far end. It was a Vitz. This is a Premium. We come again to another car that you've done today. You can see. My cameraman can show you how this thing is sparkling. It's very smart. It's very okay. So, as Oberate Cleaning Services, we do provide, and I insist we do provide the best, nothing but the best. My guy can come this side, he'll show you how things are done. Sorry for the same. How we've done this particular car. Again, this is Delight Cabs. Delight Cabs, a delightful experience. Travel in them and you'll experience the difference matters travel. Down here you can see how we've dismantled the interiors, the boot, those other parts. They're already dry. What you're remaining with is only to fix them back. Coming with me, this is our machine, this is our special cow. The special cow, it has done a marvelous job today. You can see on top here, we have got the seats already about to dry, almost dry. So after they are done, we are going to fix them back in these particular cars. As you can see, we've done a marvelous job. Matters Car Detailing Services. This is another car. If you can see it, it is D-Light cabs. My guy can show you. It's D-Light cabs. If you want a very clean cab that you need to travel in, contact this one. D-Light cabs, where Oberate Cleaning Services does a marvelous job in maintaining them. Matters Cleanliness. They are very clean, always very clean. We do them regularly. All their fleet of cars, we do clean them on a regular basis. My guy can show you how these seats are very clean, how they are very clean. You can see the floor, it's very clean. You can see, come with me, the roof, the boot is very okay, very smart. This side is very smart. It's very smart. So as my guy continue showing you the best service that you provided, I'd like to take this opportunity again to welcome you to this particular company. If you need services, matters, transportation, contact them. This D-Light Cabs Limited. So over there, as I said, you can see the back seats. The front seats, we've already fixed them, and we are about to return the other seats back. So as Oberate Cleaning Services, we always strive to give our customers the best. Not only this service that we do provide, we also provide other services in the cleaning industry. This is only a unit of what we offer. Matters Car Detailing Service. You can get more insights of our pages. In our page, Matters Car Detailing Services, you will see we've done quite a number of cars, and you will be able to see the pictures, the videos. They are there to show you that we are a very competent company on Matters Interior Car Detailing. The goodness with our cleaning process guarantees you that your car will be ready the same day. Will be ready. It will be ready for you to use your car the same day, for it to drive the same day. We use modern technological equipment to extract the dirt from whatever that we've cleaned, making it easier for it to dry up very fast. So apart from this service that I've explained, we do offer other services. Here they are. We offer sofa cleaning services. We offer carpet cleaning services, fumigation and pest control, post-construction cleaning services, office cleaning services, among other services. Also, we do offer sanding services. If you have your floor, wooden floor, and it's worn out, kindly check out with us. We'll make sure that everything that we do offer as a company is met to your standards. So out there, and you need very competent people to offer you the best Matters Cleaning, kindly get in touch with us. We are professionals. We move around Kenya. Our services we do provide on a mobile basis wherever you are within our country. So reach out for the same, and we'll be glad to serve you as Oberate Cleaning Services. So wherever you are, we ask you to reach out to us. Don't forget to visit our page, Oberate Cleaning Services, on Facebook. You'll see us in LinkedIn. You'll see us on Instagram. You'll see us in TikTok. We have pages in the name Oberate Cleaning Services and Car Detailing Services Kenya. Welcome, and we wait for your call. Thank you for following up with us, and we do believe that we're gonna get your call matters clean services. Wherever you are, thank you and be blessed, and we are happy to serve you. Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you and other Kenyans. Thank you very much.